What if you could generate an entire, highly consistent video up to 60 minutes long using just one single tool? Today, we are looking at MagicLight, an absolute beast of an all-in-one platform that is completely reshaping how we create long-form YouTube videos, kids' animated stories, and viral shorts. We're going to walk through the entire production pipeline, run a side-by-side comparison of the industry's newest AI video engines, dive into a massive new World Cup update, and show you exactly how to turn this tool into a legitimate source of income. Let's start with a demo. To show you what this machine can do right out of the gate, I used MagicLight's 3D cartoon style to generate a cinematic, high-retention opening sequence. Look at the fluid character motion, the consistency of the art style across different angles, and how the lighting perfectly adapts to the environment. This isn't a stitched-together collection of random clips. This is a unified, episodic narrative built from a single creative concept. If you are building an automation channel, showcasing a high-quality demo like this using the Disney or 3D cartoon style right at the beginning of your video is the best way to hook your audience and drastically increase your video views. The massive breakthrough here is the absolute elimination of tool hopping. MagicLight is a true all-in-one ecosystem. You do not need an external scriptwriter, a standalone image generator, a separate video motion app, and a traditional editing suite. You log into one dashboard, input your creative direction, and let the system execute the entire pipeline from asset creation to final render. The level of scale here is completely unprecedented. MagicLight gives creators the flexibility to choose the exact length of their project, supporting massive timelines up to 60 minutes long. Now let's look under the hood at MagicLight's brand new model selection feature. This is an incredible playground for creators who want to push visual boundaries. The platform now lets you test and compare the absolute latest video generation engines on the market, VO4 and Seedance 2.0. To show you exactly how this works, I used the exact same script and prompt parameters on both models, so we can run a direct side-by-side output comparison. This is great for an effect demo because it shows you exactly how different algorithms interpret your text. On the left, we have the VO4 engine. Notice the breathtaking high-fidelity rendering, the intricate detail in the textures, and how cleanly it handles cinematic lighting and physics. It gives the scene an incredibly polished, big-budget look. On the right, we have the Seedance 2.0 engine. Look at the dramatic camera movement, the fluidity of the character action, and how effortlessly it handles complex physics and tracking shots without warping the background geometry. Having access to both models inside a single workspace is a massive advantage. You can instantly see which model interprets your specific storytelling style best and select the perfect visual engine for your project without burning through separate platform subscriptions. When you look at the asset depth, you realize why this platform has quickly become the top choice for creating kids' story channels and faceless YouTube automation brands. Consistency is the ultimate killer of AI video channels, but MagicLight solves this by giving you a massive library of over 20 distinct visual styles and a staggering roster of more than 10,000 pre-built characters. Let's test out the system's dynamic animate function. You aren't stuck with static images that just slightly wiggle. You can select an asset, choose your animation parameters, and generate realistic camera pans, character gestures, and environmental movement. Even better, the platform features a highly optimized reusable voice library. Instead of generating new voiceovers from scratch for every single line, which usually results in weird tone shifts, you can build a permanent library of reusable narration and specific character voices. This lets you build videos much faster because you can include consistent audio samples and maintain a before and after comparison of your audio tracks. The tone, inflection, and accent stay perfectly uniform, allowing you to build multi-episode series incredibly fast. To keep track of all these assets, MagicLight features an updated creator profile page. This acts as your centralized creative command center. With a clean visual asset display area, you can easily view, organize, and manage your custom characters' saved art styles. Content creation doesn't just happen at a desk, and this is where MagicLight's mobile workflow completely changes the game. They've integrated a powerful GPT Image 2 mobile creation feature directly into their smartphone ecosystem. Let's take a look at the mobile workflow to see how fast this is from raw input to final result. You open the app on your phone, type a quick descriptive prompt, and the GP Image 2 engine instantly generates a flawless, highly polished AI visual right before your eyes. From there, you can immediately push it straight into the video generation pipeline with a single tap.
The Ferrari's needle screams past 200 kilometers per hour. Suddenly, a neon blur streaks past the window. The driver slams his brakes, eyes wide, staring at the side mirror in pure disbelief. A garden snail glides across the asphalt, leaving a glowing trail of neon light. Its eye stalks are pinned back like spoilers. It overtakes a Lamborghini with a slime-powered turbo boost. Drivers lean out of windows, pointing at the tiny creature as it leaves them in the dust. The snail blazes past the finish line, leaving the speed limit signs in a blur. It stops abruptly, turns back, and gives the stalled luxury cars a cheeky wink. Then, it retracts into its shell, leaving the highway in total silence.
Now let's talk about the special World Cup season highlights event. When you log into the platform, you will see a dedicated high-visibility World Cup activity entrance right on the homepage. Clicking this instantly opens a specialized workspace designed exclusively for football video production. Inside, you will find a massive collection of dedicated World Cup templates. With one single click, you can generate an entire spectrum of football content, including player interviews, deep-dive tactical match explainers, and comprehensive team introductions. To power these templates, the system features specialized World Cup character assets, allowing you to generate stunning, football star-inspired characters across dozens of different art styles. Now, a quick copyright risk note for safety: make sure to avoid claiming any real player likeness or using official trademarked names in your text narration to keep your channel perfectly safe for monetization. The update includes a brand new library of high-energy World Cup music and BGM. These tracks are engineered with dynamic audio drops designed specifically for dramatic goal moments, intense highlight edits, and fast-paced match clips. Best of all, during this event season, when you purchase a subscription plan, MagicLight throws in extra credits for the World Cup plan. These are bonus credits credited directly to your account specifically for football video generation. Keep in mind, this isn't a completely free tier, but rather extra credits added on top of your regular plan to give you maximum rendering power. Let's demo a full, high-efficiency workflow from scratch. We start on mobile, brainstorming an initial concept and generating our core imagery. Those assets instantly sync to our creator profile on desktop. We pull up our saved character voices, select the Cadence 2.0 engine for heavy action shots, use the animate function to add cinematic tracking, and set the timeline length. In just minutes, an entire episodic video is mapped, synchronized, and ready for export.
Maya pushes open the heavy stone door of the hidden library, the sound echoing through the silence. Dust motes dance in the golden light, revealing a pedestal in the center of the room.
On it lies a rolled parchment bound in leather. Maya reaches out, her fingers trembling as she touches the ancient seal.
The leather strap snaps open. As the map unfurls, blue light pulses from the ink, illuminating the room. Suddenly, books on the surrounding shelves begin to tremble. They pull themselves from the wood and hover in the air, their pages flapping like the wings of 1,000 birds, circling Maya in a living storm. The floor beneath her feet begins to glow with an intense, ancient power. The stone slabs shift and slide away into the darkness. Maya steps back to the edge of the opening, breathless. Below the library, a vast underground world stretches out. Glowing forests of crystal trees emerge from the shadows, while rivers of liquid light wind through floating stone islands. She stares into the abyss,
her eyes reflecting the vibrant neon flora below. The map pulses faster, casting a warm golden hue over her face as she realizes her journey has only just begun. She takes a deep breath, steadying her heart, and steps onto the first floating stone platform. The library fades into a blur behind her as she descends into the heart of the magical realm.
The light of the crystal trees rises to meet her, welcoming the explorer to a world forgotten by time.
But MagicLight isn't just a tool for making content, it's a platform designed to help you monetize your work through the Creator Asset Rewards program. Inside the app, you have access to a shared asset library. As a creator, you can build your own custom visual styles, design distinct character models, or assemble unique video templates and publish them directly inside the public library. When other creators use your templates and assets for their own videos, you monetize them. This turns your routine content creation workflow into a legitimate source of income, letting you turn your creative work into cash. Check out the pinned comment below and hit the official sign-up link to claim your free trial and get creating immediately.